sir, we are in the cut, y'all, man. It's your boy Underdogbook, the one and only most doubted. Like I said, the one and only most doubted. Hold up, my shit is blurry. Why? Hold up, why is this? Okay, yeah. Oh, damn. Okay, yeah. But I need y'all to go ahead and smash that like button and that subscribe button, because it's about to be litty, man. It's definitely about to be lit. So what we doing today, man? We about to do a POV in a goddamn Supra, you feel me? We about to do the POV in a Supra, man. First time, well, the second time driving this thing. It's about to be litty, man. It's about to be litty. We about to do a definitely POV. I said POV. It's POV, man. So yeah, we about to turn up in this thing, y'all. We about to cut up and everything. So I need y'all to go smash this like button, smash that subscribe button, cause it's about to get wicked, y'all. It's about to get wicked in the goddamn Supra, man. For sure, it's about to get wicked. But on the other hand, get your goddamn fruit snacks. Get your goddamn whatever you call it, your damn chug splashes, your goddamn fucking Arizona drinks or your peace tea, whatever, bro, whatever you get. But yeah, get that shit, because it's about to be a movie. But yeah, we about to do this shit, about to start this shit, so let's get it. So yeah, I'm about to be vlogging this for like with one hand, but after that, like a couple minutes, I'm gonna have the other angle and shit. So cause I don't got my head thing, my head strap, but other than this, we about to do it like that. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Y'all hear this thing? Y'all want to hear this thing? Y'all want to hear this? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear them snack crackle pops? Y'all hear that snack crackle pop? Okay. Yeah, let's get it, man. Let's fucking get it, man. It's definitely about to be fucking lit, bro. God damn. About to get wicked now. Who the fuck was that? That's the charger? Oh yeah. Okay, that was my seat. Okay. Thought he won't smoke at first. I thought that charger won't smoke. Hey, all right now, girl. Calm that down now. Calm that down now. Yeah. Calm that little booty down now, girl. You cutting up a little bit now. Let's see how this thing go now. Let's see how this thing go. With this hand? Yeah, shit. Yes, sir. Now, I don't know how to hold with my right hand a little bit good. You feel me? So I'm gonna have to switch to this hand, y'all. But y'all see where we are. We about to cut up in traffic. Definitely cut up in traffic. She said, cutting up, man. About to hope I find some goddamn Hellcats or some goddamn motherfucking some scats or something, man. Show these boys something, but let's get it. Shit. That motherfucking, hey. Like that. Like that. So y'all, man, y'all tell me, man. Y'all think about getting a Supra? I might have to think about getting a Supra in the collection, though. But watch how this thing, just look at it, it's like blowing. Like, watch this like a spaceship. Oh, shit.
You roll your window.
Yeah. Let's get to it. This mud sounds beautiful, y'all. I tell you, I'm Vin Diesel behind this goddamn wheel, motherfucker. I'm like the Vin Diesel of this shit. Watch this. Oh, this truck won't smoke. Hold up. This boy. Truck won't smoke. Too bad, man. I'm barely going on the look. I'm barely going, man. I'm barely pushing this thing. Bro, let y'all know this thing keep y'all in the goddamn lane too. Like the car like moves by itself. Like if you outside the lane, like it will put you back in the lane. Oh, you done started some shit. Oh no. Oh, you. What's up? What's up? Oh shit. Oh hell yeah. We about to get. Oh, that's a scat. That's a scat, I told y'all! That's a goddamn scat! Oh yeah, you gonna have to put on the camera. Cause this is... Hold up, it's about to get wicked, y'all. Hold up, I gotta switch cameras cause he trying to test me. Oh yeah, come on now. Oh yeah. Hold up. That's what I've been waiting for. It's a scat. Hold up. Bring that motherfucking scat. Bring that motherfucking little baby. Bring that little bumblebee. Bring that little bumblebee, nigga. Oh, hold up. You gonna have to pull down this window, boy. Hold up. You gonna have to pull down this window. Yeah, I want to test you. I want to see what you got in there, boy. Come on. Yeah. Nah, don't get off. Oh my God, he pissed me the fuck off, bro. Look, he's scared. See, that what scats do, y'all. They scary. Look at that. Oh my God, bro. Scary ass boy, man. Golly, baby, it's always gotta be the scats, y'all. It always gotta be the scats. Like, the scats was always scary, man. Look, why he had to get off? And I blame this truck for getting in my way, that big ass boat. God damn. I hate regular traffic, damn. Even though I come from a day. Shit. Damn, he made me look like a fool, bro. Golly, I wanted to give him that, man. But that's okay, that's alright. We're gonna find another one. We're gonna find another opponent. That's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna find us another opponent. Let's keep to this POV, man. Show y'all something, man. Let me show y'all something. Watch this. Hit my Paul Walker shit. Switch lane to lane, man. I maneuver around good, bro. I maneuver around real good. Oh yeah, you don't have to tell me twice, my boy. See this thing, look at this regular traffic, y'all. Like look at this. Why you had to get over so slow, bro?
Yeah.
Like that is tragic, bro. Dude, don't y'all hate people like that, man? Look at this, it's getting all in the way. Hey, that thing that keeps me in the thing.
You gotta put your signal light on. It'll let you get over.
We don't put on signal lights. We already been decent. We pro around this. I'm really a Formula 1 driver, y'all. As y'all speak, I'm a Formula 1 driver, man. They don't know. They don't know about
I'm gonna show y'all how it's done.
I'm a real Formula 1 driver, man. Like this shit right here. Watch this. Watch this shit, bro. Watch this. This shit about to get crazy. It's about to get wicked. That's how you do it, man. That's really how you do this shit. This car is fucking moving. I ain't gonna lie. Man, this is like a 30-minute. This was a 30-minute drive. Turn this bitch into a 9-minute drive. I'm 9 minutes away from the destination. Like, that shit is crazy. This is also a teleport system. Like, it can teleport your ass all type of ways, bro. Like, you can be there in a jiffy, bro. Sounds so beautiful. Look at this, man.
Shit. Gosh.
Now that's how you move.
To have you pull over. Damn.
Damn. It's that hump. It's not me. It's the road. But we still good. Your car is slow to the ground. Yo, bro, she got scared. Look at that.
Man.
Your car ain't good. Hey, no humps can't fuck up your car unless we went up in the air. That's crazy.
That would be crazy.
That's crazy work. In Japan, these motherfuckers be hitting that hole like this. Hitting. Look at that. She making a noise. That's what she said. Let me slow down for her. Let me slow down for her. Oh, I told you they be speeding on this shit. Your car got it. Your shit hugged the road. Your shit ain't no bags on here though. Yeah. You're gonna have to get bags. Cause you don't want to be sometimes you don't want to be low like this the whole time. Whoever had this car, they kept it low. Like they just said fuck it. Shit, man. This shit sounds good, man. See, look how I'm swerving. It's cause the damn thing, bro, like it got cameras all around this car, y'all. So basically, like if I get out this lane, this bitch will like definitely put me back in it. So watch this. Look, I'm gonna get in. Watch this. See, it actually put me back in. Show them the steering wheel. Watch this. Look, like watch the steering wheel, y'all. Watch. I'm gonna go outside this lane. That shit put me right back. Like that's crazy, bro. That bitch said no. Keep your ass in the lane, bitch. Yep. You're not going nowhere. Like keep in the lane. Like for all my wobbly lane drivers that don't know how to drive, this is a good car for your ass to keep your ass in your place. Cause y'all niggas don't know how to drive straight, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like me, I naturally drive straight, but the only reason why I'm wiggling, cause like sometimes like when I feel like I want to get over, it still just keep me over there, and I'm like, oh fuck, like that. But if y'all get it. Oh, we got us a contender.
No.
We
no,
got
you
us a
don't.
contender. A
No, you
C8.
don't. No, you don't.
A C8.
No, you don't.
A C8.
No, you don't.
A C8. A C8. A C8. Oh no. A C8.
Fuck.
Yeah. 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 A C8. I'm about to get on
no.
Oh.
What the hell? Bro.
I wanted his ass. He tried to show off. I wanted his ass.
Fuck.
I wanted that bitch. C8, we take C8s out for breakfast, bro. We eat them alive, bro. Niggas can't mess with us, man.
You stressing me out.
That C8 about to get it, man. You know what? We about to stop at this Buc-ee's right here, y'all. Look, she like, ready?
Yeah, get me out this car.
Yeah, we about to stop at this Buc-ee's, man. I know Buc-ee's is y'all favorite thing, bro. Buc-ee's need to sponsor a boy, man. But the best place, y'all, we about to enter Buc-ee's, man. But I thought we about to have a challenge against a Scat and a C8. But that's crazy how I just said a Scat and it just came in like out of nowhere. Anybody can get it. Your mom can get it in the Volkswagen, in the damn Hellcat, Nissan Hellcat. It's whatever, bro. Like, anybody can get this shit. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. It is crazy, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed this shit, bro. I really hope y'all enjoyed this shit. But if y'all think about getting in a goddamn Nissan, man, go get y'all fucking one. No, I said
Nissan.
I said a Nissan. No, I'm fucking with y'all. I do get this mixed up with a Nissan, but Toyota and Nissan.
How the hell?
But yeah, no, I don't get this mixed up, but the logo of it, like the company
How?
of it. You know, when I be seeing Toyotas, I call them Nissans a little bit. When I see Nissans, I say Toyotas sometimes. When I just be, just be all, all up in the shit. But no, if y'all want y'all goddamn Toyota Supra, y'all go get y'all one. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This shit is like fun to drive. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
I'm gonna show you how to actually drive the Supra because he don't know how to maneuver with the lane assist. Okay.
Look, don't listen to whatever they say. If you get this bitch, trust me, your pussy rate gonna go up. Especially on a car level too, you gonna get all the car baddies from the JDMs. So you definitely gonna get that. So if you want to be with all the JDM baddies that love JDM, especially get this car. I'm telling you, get this car. But on the other hand, like, if you want to be low to the ground and shit and you want to be cooped up, this is the car too.
It's fun too.
It's very safe. Like, it is safe as fuck. And it is easy on gas. Like, the gas, how much you do to fill up on this?
$30 for a full tank.
Yeah, $30 for a full tank. They ain't bad. For a sports car, that is not bad, y'all. So, y'all can get y'all a Supra, man. I'm telling y'all, this shit is lit, bro. This shit is lit. Fun. Especially on the freeway. And then you can get a snack crackle pop, too. And, bro, I'm telling you, it's lit. It's lit. But, ain't too much to say, bro. I see y'all in the next video. It was lit, man. Other than that, we on to the next vid. But see y'all, man. Y'all already know what I gotta say. Join the dog gang or die.